Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send a tracking number to your customer in Woocommerce. Providing tracking details is an important part of fulfilling orders and keeping customers happy. Sending a tracking number lets customers monitor the delivery of their orders in real time. This builds trust, reduces questions about order status, and creates a smoother experience by keeping customers updated from shipment to delivery. Here is the simplest way to add a tracking number to your customer's order in Woocommerce. First, open your browser and go to woocommerce.com. Once there, log into your account. After logging in, go to My Stores and click on your store, or create your store if you haven't already. Once you have your store, click it. We will now go to the WordPress admin. Here, we can edit the Woocommerce site. Click on Woocommerce and then you will see Orders. Now click Add Order. For example, here is the order form. To add a tracking number, go to the left part of the page. You will see Add Tracking Number. Click it. Select the provider here. Enter the provider name and tracking number. You can also add the tracking link and the date shipped. When you are done, just click Save. Now, everything is ready. This is how we send a tracking number to your customer in Woocommerce. Once the tracking information is sent, your customer can easily follow their orders until delivery.